Hi everybody and welcome back to Journey of Jim. Today within Subnautica Below Zero, I'm going to show you how to find the Phi Robotics lab. Very key part of the story is this. Eventually it will tell you, the game will tell you how to find it. It'll actually give you a beacon and show you where it is. But if you want to find it earlier in the game, I'll show you where to find it. Let's see what happens.
It's the Journey of Jim.
Okay, so welcome back. So we're starting here at the trusty drop pod. Nice, easy landmark for everyone to remember. I highly recommend that you create a compass in this game just for general guidance of where you are and where you need to be on the map. But for this especially, I'm going to be using compass bearings, so always good to have your compass. We're starting at the drop pod and we want to start in a west by southwesterly direction. So directly between west and southwest. You'll even see this tiny little kind of ice shelf thing there. So if you line those two up, that's the direction that you want to go. We're going to be going in this direction for a while, so as long as you keep the compass between west and southwest, you can't really go wrong. You'll go through a couple of different biomes, stay on the heading, and you will be good. So we're going to go over a little bit of the twisty bridges here. We'll see a little bit of the creep vine areas. Creeping up, we will go through some of those, and it's always handy if you have the turbo boost feature for your sea truck as well. I like to stay reasonably close to the surface for this, but there are a couple of icebergs that will get in the way. You can go around them, underneath them, it doesn't really matter as long as you stay on that west by southwest bearing. And as you start to see these jellyfish, then you know you are in the right area. They're relatively harmless, the jellyfish. If you're in your sea truck, they don't really harm you. If you're swimming around, they're usually not very fast, so you can kind of outmaneuver them pretty easily. And you will start to see this alien cable. That's a good sign as well. But staying with that south by southwest bearing is the best direction to keep. So not necessarily looking for landmarks, just stay on that bearing. But eventually you'll start to see this kind of ice shelf appear, and if you look carefully, you'll see like a little jetty, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So in this area we will find some cool items, some cool things to scan and get some blueprints. I've already been here, so I've actually made this little fellow, which I renamed Airwolf, but it is the Snow Fox. This won't be here if you haven't built it. This is what I've left it here. But essentially, once we're in this area, and you see this this tower, we're going to head in this southerly direction, directly south, and you will start to see a gap appear within the ice and a little path. This does fork here, so head to the right. And then this mouth of this cave on the left, you're going to go through here. These fever peppers are very helpful to keep about your person because they will help to warm your body as you go. And as this opens up, you will see the landing area there, and that is the doorway to Phi Robotics. Some very cool things to scan in there, some new blueprints, some very cool story beats that are going to be essential, and this whole area will have some really key secrets towards the latter end of the game. But I hope you found this helpful and useful, and this has been Journey of Jim. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.